Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy in just 2 minutes. Whiten yellow teeth and turn to pearl white naturally with very simple ingredients at home. You can prepare super effective remedy that removes the teeth tartar and whiten the teeth without side effects. With all natural ingredients, it removes the teeth black and will whiten the teeth naturally at home. The first ingredient we need is cloves, and we need to grind the cloves. To get the cloves powder, add around 1 teaspoon of grinded fine cloves, then we need 1 garlic clove and shred it like so. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of salt, just natural regular salt. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and you can use Colgate toothpaste, any toothpaste available for you. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of natural milk. And mix well all the ingredients. Once you mixed and combined all the ingredients together, dip in your toothbrush into the remedy like so, and brush your teeth with that remedy. Will whiten the teeth naturally and turn it to pearl white without any side effects. Store the rest of the remedy and use it every day to whiten your teeth naturally. From first use, you will notice a great results. This fights any kind of teeth black and teeth tartar naturally, and will scrub the teeth and whiten, and will turn it to pearl white without any side effects, without going to the dentist, and it's super effective.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.